All right, here we go. Greetings, greetings, greetings. CannaChefMD here with you today. Dr. Les Wilson, Cooking and Learning with Dr. Les. We are going to be learning today, so get ready. Today we're going to talk about the edible formulation. The edible formulation is an oral formulation, of course. Onset of action is 45 minutes or so-ish, lasts about 4 to 6 hours like any other oral formulation. The edible formulation includes chocolates, gummies, mints, cookies. Those are sold at the dispensaries. Some dispensaries don't have any of the cookies. Well, shout out to Love Sexy, Prince in the background. So any oral formulation, except for the tinctures, which are sublingual, have to go through the GI tract through the first pass effect. So they have a longer onset of action. Standard dose is 2.5 to 10 milligrams. Most gummies are 10 milligrams. Quarter of a gummy, 2.5, half, 5, one full gummy is 10 milligrams. So it's a very good way that a lot of people just use this formulation at nighttime. Some do it during the day. You got to be careful. You don't want it to sneak up on you. You take a gummy, you don't feel anything, take another one, and then you're trashed. So that is the edible formulation. Wanted to give that to you today. Actually, I would see if I've got, well, there I just found a mint. So I'm going to go ahead and pop one in. Pretty tasty, pretty tasty. So we'll see what the medicinal effects are going to be. As always, we will sign off with the characteristic sign off for the learning portion of CannaChefMD, and that is peace and be wild. May you live to see the dawn. Over and out. Deuces. Cut.